Like all
Jackson
over.
can't afford
No,
it.
I'm not saying that the mission.
I think they got a pretty dang good show for a small city.
This is amazing. I'm very happy with this. I didn't have to drive 2.5 hours. Oh, that was so pretty.
Wow.
Jackson, I heard, didn't smoke and cake the last few years.
Because we don't waste our money. How much these fireworks cost?
Oh gosh, I know. Oh, that is.
I can imagine.
Yes.
Oh, that is so pretty.
Wow.
That is so pretty.
Wow. That is sick.
Wait, where's he at?
Is that the finale?
Go Jackson. I'm proud of Jackson.
Wow.
Yes.
And there's not a pause in between. In the old days, you'd have to wait another 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty. They don't catch them trees on fire. Aww.
Look at that. Yes. Get it, Jackson.
I'm so sorry for the people lighting things, but I always worry
Man.
about that.
Remember that one year it blew up on the backfire on the guy?
Yeah, 1 year.
Okay. It blew up right there.
Okay.
Look awful close.
Wow. I like when it shoot up like that.
No. Stop. Okay.
Those are bad shoot up like that. I like them.
Oh, I love that.
You still see them glittering down.
Oh.
Oh, boy. Oh, man. Oh, my God.
Wow. Man. That was huge.
Boy, are they going out?
Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah!
Look at all of it still flying down. You can still see it.
I know.
That's crazy.